What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another wonderful Triple S Productions. I am your host with the most, Andrew Brown, and today I'm gonna be giving you, the viewers, what you have been clamoring for a very, very long time. See, I've been trying to find more amazing plant-based vegan and vegetarian finds all throughout the city, and this one right here is one of the best in the heart of Vancouver's iconic Chinatown, and that's Virtuous Pie. I've heard from all my vegan and vegetarian friends around that they are the best vegan and plant-based pizza in the city, and I am even gonna show you how to get it at a very, very good deal that may not be available to the general public. Y'all are gonna have to stick around to find out how exactly that's possible. But without further ado, let's get right into trying these pizzas real quick. All right, so immediately I'm thinking about the Stranger Wings pizza because that's sounding pretty good to me. It basically sounds like they took like their buffalo cauliflower wings and chopped them up and put it on a pizza. I'm very intrigued by that. I wanna see how that tastes. That sounds absolutely phenomenal. And they also have this Sweet Mary Jane one, which does it has like a smoky bacon. I gotta be honest, guys, this is the one that always catches me with vegan stuff. I always get a bit skeptical when it says like, oh, it's gonna taste like some meat or taste like something like that. I don't know, we'll have to see. I'm very willing for them to convince me otherwise and prove me wrong, but I wanna see what their bacon tastes like. And also it has hot honey on it. And honestly, anytime you have hot honey on a pizza, you're gonna sell this guy. I'm all in, I'm absolutely here for that. I also wanna try out some of their dipping sauces because our friends at Plant Curious suggested that they have some very good dipping sauces. More on that in a bit here. Also, I heard they have some very high quality lemonade, so I might have to go for that too. There's a lot of great selections here. I'm super excited for this. This place is a really cool spot. Really, really nice. Not super big on the inside, but a great takeout location, and I can already see some of these pizzas being whipped up, and I'm getting super, super excited right now. Can't wait. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with one of the Stranger Wings pizzas and then one of the Sweet Mary Jane ones. And I heard you guys have some like dipping sauces too. Ooh. I'm gonna go with garlic ranch. I tried that too. Yeah. You guys have like a lemonade too, I believe? Yeah. Oh, I'll do the peach iced tea. That sounds really good. Okay, perfect. Sounds good. Yeah, that'll be perfect. Thank you so much. All right, well, I got this. Look at this absolutely fantastic looking peach tea. Honestly, I'm not always the biggest tea fan, but pretty much anytime you put peach into tea, I'm probably gonna like it. Cheers. That's fantastic. It's not too sweet. It's got that very fresh, peachy taste to it. Super crisp. This is absolutely fantastic. I gotta say though, get these straws out of here. I am anti-straws of all kinds, like paper, plastic. There's almost no reason to ever have a straw unless there's like a lid on a drink. That's just me personally. Maybe my hot take for the day, but I'm gonna put it out there. This is gonna be way easier for the second drink. And I think it's gonna pair super well with what we got coming up here next. All right, now I just got both of my pizzas here, and let me tell you, these look absolutely delicious. Right over here, we have the Stranger Wings. As you can see, we got some of the cauliflower buffalo with that Bianca sauce, some scallions, some crispy fried onions there. Over here, we got the hot honey, more of a red pie with some good smoky bacon. Both of these look absolutely phenomenal. Now, what if I told you it was possible to get both of these pizzas here for the price of only one? You might think I'm crazy, but I can tell you it is absolutely possible to do so if you go and check out the sponsor of today's video and our good friends over at Plant Curious. Guys, I know I've been trying to eat more vegetarian and vegan these days, and it can be super, super pricey. It can be very time consuming, and I'm sure that you guys are always very, very interested in trying to find new deals and new ways to eat both plant-based and on the cheap. In that case, Plant Curious is the thing for you. They are a subscription-based program that provides you with deals through several different restaurants in the Vancouver and Toronto area that offer different various deals on their interface. You can see right now, I'm scrolling through it. Basically, you just get to go, click on their coupon, and then redeem it for a one-time use to be able to get great deals at all kinds of local places. Now, like I said, it's subscription-based, so you do have to pay a monthly fee, but it's only around $3. And with what I did today, I saved $22. And with the savings that I got today, I actually was able to pay for 6 months of my subscription. And generally speaking, you only have to use one deal to pay for a month's of subscription. So that is absolutely worth it. If you're already gonna be going starting out eating plant-based, eating vegan, this is definitely something that you gotta take advantage of. So make sure to check out Plant Carrasco. Their links will be down in the description below. Subscribe to them ASAP. They are absolutely game-changing. I'm very glad that they helped sponsor me for this video because it's something I've been very, very interested in. But you know, it can be difficult trying to find some good deals in Vancouver, especially with the economy looking like these days. So shouts out to them. All right, now before we get to going into this, you know, there's always a few things you gotta top off your pizza with. I am always gonna go for some cracked red pepper, give it a little bit of extra zhuzh. I'm crazy for the spice, all right? I need a little bit of extra kick on it. So I'm gonna always do cracked red pepper whenever I get the chance. I'm gonna actually try something for the first time today as well. Almond parm. Never had that before, but I really appreciate their commitment to the bit of being vegan, and I'm very interested to see exactly how this tastes. Gonna work on my shaking technique. Came out a little squirrelier than I was expecting, but still, nonetheless, I'm very happy with this. I also got a garlic ranch as well. Again, all vegan, all plant-based. Pretty incredible, pretty amazing. But I'm gonna try both of these first without any of that extra dipping sauce or anything to see exactly what the taste is gonna be like. I'm gonna start off right now with the stranger wings because this has been calling to me. Look at that bad boy right there. Okay, that's phenomenal. I'm glad I added the cracked red pepper because it gave it an extra little bit of depth and kick to it, but the cauliflower is also very well spiced already. If you are not the biggest spicy fan, I think it would be enough for a base. So much crunch with the scallions, the crispy onions, the fried cauliflower. It just all is so crispy. I love that incredible crunch factor, and it's got some good taste to it, very well spiced. This could definitely hold a candle to any type of regular pizza that I've ever had before. I'm gonna get to dunking now because I tried the slice, so I wanna see how good this vegan garlic sauce is. You know, I feel like crust was made for dunking. Look at that. That's a perfect vehicle for sauce. Crust can be a little bit dry and crispy anyways too, but with a nice little sauce zhuzh on it, gives it an extra flavor boost. That's phenomenal. I genuinely don't think I would have been able to tell that that wasn't regular ranch. Like, that's absolutely phenomenal. It tastes just like it. It's always super impressive to me the levels of food science that has to go into mimicking a flavor when you don't have all the base ingredients you normally would. It's pretty incredible. Man, oh man, that's good. All right, now we're gonna get into our second pie over here. Like I said earlier, I'm very interested how this smoky bacon is gonna taste. Is it going to be everything I want and more? Yes. It absolutely is. If you sat here for a long, long time and pondered upon it, it probably doesn't have the same level of fattiness that regular bacon would, but the smoky taste, the flavorful, the full body, the umami, it's all there. It's everything you would want out of bacon without having to have any meat. So as far as a plant-based alternative, that is definitely the best vegan bacon I've ever had. It had to have done some amino acids or something like that to get that good smoky umami taste to it. And the hot honey, that hot honey is rounding it out, giving it a very, very sweet flavor as well. It feels like grandmother's cooking. This is comfort food at its peak, and I absolutely love it. I think I thought I was gonna like this one more. I actually think I ended up liking this one more. Honestly, both of them are, the flavors out of this world. Virtuous Pie, you guys knocked it out of the park. I see why they're so popular. They got so many different locations, spanning from here to the island. I think they're even down in Portland now. I did also make sure I saved some room for dessert because look at this. It is a whole delicious ice cream sandwich. If you had to do like a trivia game of like what's Andrew's favorite dessert, it's 2 cookies with ice cream in between it. It's just that simple. This looks absolutely phenomenal. I'm done talking to you guys. I'm gonna crack right into this thing. That's so good. The cookie has like the perfect chewiness to it. The ice cream, I gotta try it one more time because I don't even think I would have been able to tell that that was plant-based ice cream. That tastes just like regular vanilla ice cream. Wow, that's phenomenal. That, I cannot think of a way to make me, I can't even speak now, that was so good. The cookie is the perfect softness. I love a good chocolate chip cookie, the softness, the sweetness of the chocolate, and with vanilla ice cream, This is what like 10-year-old me would be absolutely dying for. And I'm lying if I'm saying that 28-year-old me still is not dying for this dessert. This is a perfect way to round out this amazing, entirely plant-based meal. Again, guys, for all of my vegan foodies out here in Vancouver, this is a place to go. Y'all need to absolutely check out Virtuous Pie. Shout out to Plant Curious as well. I really appreciate them for putting me on to these amazing deals. I know sometimes vegan food gets a bad rap for breaking the bank, but with them, you are able to find so many amazing great deals just like this one today. And I would highly recommend this even if you don't take advantage of those amazing deals. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this one. Y'all got any good vegan recommendations or vegetarian spots you want me to check out? Let me know down in the comments below. Give a like to this video. Make sure y'all subscribe. And until next time, peace out.